Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dinma and today's look is a tropical cut crease and yellow eye makeup look. So first of all, I'm going to start with my eyes, but I like to conceal underneath my brows before I apply my shadows. So I'm using the Elegant Pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan to conceal underneath my brows and make it ready before I go on and apply our eyeshadow base. The brush I'm using is from Techniques and this is their small crease brush. Next, I'm going into another LA Girl Pro concealer, but this is so much lighter than the first one I used. This is their, I don't know the name of this shade, but I'm going to leave it in the description box. So this is much lighter than the first shade I used. So I'm just going to apply a tiny amount of that on both eyes, and I'm going to buff it out with a big fluffy brush. I'm going into an eyeshadow palette. This is from Morphe. I'm going in with that deep red shade. I'm going to use kind of a flat fluffy brush. I don't know how to explain this brush. This brush I got it from my royal blue palette from Kylie Cosmetics. So I'm just going to use that to pack in that red shade and create the shape that I'm going for. I'm going for a wing out kind of cut crease, like a full-on cut crease. So I'm just going to pat that down, and I'm going into the next shade, which I'm going into the next shade, which is a bright orange shade, and I'm going to use that to buff out the red and then go back in with that red shade, just to intensify the color and make sure everything is vibrant. So I'm going back between both brushes and shades. Then I went in with a bright yellow, although I didn't show you guys the shade, but it's just basically a bright yellow. I just wanted to soften the edges of that orange we applied. And to deepen our crease, I went in with that deep burgundy kind of shade. So it's from another palette entirely. That is a drugstore palette that I got from AliExpress. I don't know the name of this palette offhand. So I'm just going to blend all the shades together to make sure that there are no harsh lines and everything is seamless and smooth. And I went back in one more time with all the previous colors just to make sure everything is popping out, yeah. Okay, before I cut my crease, I like to clean the excess shadows that I don't want. So I went in with a baby wipes, and I used it to kind of clean and cut out the shape that I want before I went in with my concealer. I'm using the same concealer, which is the Elegant Pro one, the one we use for eyeshadow base, and that same flat crease brush from Real Techniques. So I'm just going to cut my crease, not our crease, it's my eye. Cut crease done. I'm just going to fill out the blank space with the concealer, and then I'm going to pat it down with of a clean fluffy brush, because we don't want it to have harsh lines and creases. We want a smooth canvas to work on. And for our lid shade, I'm using the green from the Morphe palette. I'm going to apply this to the outer corner of my eye and the inner corner, leaving the center blank because I want to create that halo effect. For the center part of our lid, I'm going with a kind of a light green shimmer shade, still from that Morphe palette. I'm just going to apply that right in the center of our lid. I'm trying to pack on the shade because I want it to pop. And for our wing liner, I'm using a kind of a red lipstick. It's a red lipstick, not kind of a red lipstick. It's a red lipstick from Huda Cosmetics. I'm going to leave the name down in the description box. So I'm going to use that to create our wing liner. And now I'm applying lashes. This lashes I got from I really don't remember where I got this lash from. Like, I've been using this lash for a very long time and I can't find the pack, so it's been lying on my desk. So it's just like a random lash. If I can remember the name, I will leave it down in the description box. Now we're moving on to the face. I'm using the Pond's long lasting vanishing cream as my primer. I'm just going to massage that down into my face. And for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Cappuccino, 340 Cappuccino. Okay, so I already did my foundation routine. If you guys want an updated foundation routine from me, just let me know, because you can see my skin is looking bomb, it's looking flawless, my base is on point. So I'm just baking right now. So just sound off below in the comment section if you want an updated foundation routine. I will definitely do a video for you guys. So now we are going to complete the eyes. I'm going to apply all the shades we applied on our lid to our lower lash line. So from the dark burgundy shade to the deep red to the orange to the yellow. So that's what I'm basically doing. Okay, so for that inner corner pop, I'm going in with a yellow pigment. This pigment is from Ava Cosmetics. It's a Nigerian brand. So I'm just going to apply that in the inner corner. What is wrong with me? I'm going to apply that to our inner corner for that pop, you know. So I'm dusting away the excess powder on our face because we are looking snatched at this point. Guys, take a look at my skin. It's so on point. It's so yummy. Like, my skin is looking flawless at this point. Can you see that? Can you see the seamlessness? Can you see the blend? Oh my god, look at that contour. The contour is so sharp. Okay, so I'm going to dust off every powder, and yeah, I'm just feeling myself right now. Aww. It's time for blush, and I'm using the Early Pride blush in bright orange, if I can get it open. So I'm just going to apply that, and hopefully I don't apply too much because I go crazy for blush and I just, tend to keep applying, and before you know, it's too much. To set our face and fuse the makeup together, I'm going in with the e.l.f. makeup mist and set, and it had to do that crazy thing which I don't like. I hate it when I apply the setting spray and it leaves those whites, kind of residues on your face. So I'm just going to use my beauty blender to push it into my skin and get rid of those white residues which I do not like. For highlight, I'm using the Morphe 902G palette. Yes, and I'm taking the first shade in the palette. I'm going to apply that to my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, cupid's bow, and my chin. And I apply a little bit on my forehead, just like the top of my brows. Moving on to our lips, I'm going to line my lips with a brown lip pencil. This pencil is very common over here in Nigeria. It's kind of like a eyebrow pencil slash lip pencil, and it's very, very cheap. So I'm just going to line my lips with that. And for lipstick, I use the Kiss Beauty lipstick in pink. It's also a drugstore brand and very common over here in Nigeria. For lip gloss, it's not actually a lip gloss. It's kind of a lip injection or something like that. So I just applied it because I love the way it makes my lips look. So I just used that instead of a lip gloss. And this is the complete look, guys. We are finished, and as you can see, the makeup turned out bomb. Like, I am really, really impressed with this makeup look. Can you see the skin is on point? Eyeshadow game on point, the lips on point, everything is on point. And you guys check out my hair now. Like, I'm feeling myself at this point. I'm over the moon. So this is a complete look, and just let me know what you think of this look. If you learned a thing or two, I'm sorry guys if you keep hearing that noise, it's just my notification. So let me know what you think of this look. If you learned a thing or two from it, sound off in the comment section. And if there's anything you'd like to see from me, just let me know, and I'm going to try to create it for you guys. And yeah, this is the end of the video. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I think I'll see you guys in my next video. But before we go, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to give it a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to sound off that little bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also follow me on all social media platforms. It's at Dinmacoco on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, anywhere it's at Dinmacoco. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.